Welcome back to M6 TV, everybody. I'm Sarah Solomon. Now, another day of content is underway as enterprise executives gather together to see how companies are using mobile enabling apps. This panel of leading practitioners addressed concerns moving beyond the first set of enterprise apps. For Pacific Gas and Electric, iPads have played a major role in how they check the condition of underground pipes. Gas personnel on the field initially used a Samsung Tab 1 before shifting to the Samsung Tab 2. The company had to find a solution to storage constraints. Now, Pacific Gas and Electric is moving towards a Windows device because of the larger screen that makes it convenient for gas personnel to view maps of the areas at large.
It's a good way for you to be able to measure yourself against not only folks in your own market, but also in other markets that are utilizing the same technologies.
The one-on-one meetings give enterprise executives a chance to build lifelong business connections. In fact, this award-winning hosted buyer format adds tremendous value to the overall experience at the conference.
Being part of the advisory board and actually helping to set the agenda, this is terrific because not only am I meeting people who I can help, it helps me make sure that our agenda's on track and that as we have new meetings like this, that we can stay on track and hit the right topics and make sure that people get what they need.
Being able to test the things that we believe are true with our customer base with a new set of customers and prospects, and just understand and validate that the assumptions that we're making make sense, and also figuring out what are we missing and how can we add more value to our customers.
It's that one-on-one, sit down, just have a frank conversation about the product.
Absolutely think this is the most critical part of the conference. I think it's essential for individuals to come together with like-minded interests, and I think it's that ability to connect one-on-one where you actually get that in-depth information. I mean, on stage you kind of get the overview and the kind of really broad, but it's when you can really connect with people and get answers to your questions that I think drives value for all the participants.
Moving into a mobile cloud world is something technology gurus SAP and Microsoft are familiar with. The cloud has changed the way enterprise meet customer needs. It's all about adapting to each customer's unique journey while transitioning into the cloud. But it's also important to provide solutions by understanding the core attributes of security and user expectation for each client. For most customers, security is at the forefront of their concerns. Both SAP and Microsoft remind their customers that the cloud security infrastructure is updated regularly.
At its core, when you have an operating system and when you have an environment that users trust, that the business trusts, and that they know that they can share data seamlessly and securely, it enables them to take innovative risks.
When you work with customers that are primarily on-premise today, you really have to give them the capability to go piece by piece from on-prem to the cloud, and that's something that we're working with them on.
Intel is among the impressive list of attendees at the M6 Mobility Exchange Summit. When you think Intel, you probably think about the chip in your computer, but the enterprise has progressed its technology by investing in startups and new technologies like drones. The company is making it a priority to boost security and analytics. Intel's investments help them stay ahead of the competition.
So it's very helpful to have this large capital investment company to back that and invest in those guys that are doing the right things. And we're gonna win some, we're gonna lose some, but all in all, it helps that industry move in the direction that we believe is helpful to our customers.
That does it here for us on another fantastic day of the 2015 M6 Mobility Exchange Summit. We'll leave you now with some sights and sounds from the networking reception, dinner, and casino night. I'm Sarah Solomon. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.